après une cascade. Son nom c'est toujours toi. Une escapade. La vie est dans les bois. Et puis une
What it do, what it do, what it do, what it do? Wet Bale FPV here, coming at you from a rainy day, the bane of all FPV pilots' existence. In fact, it's one of many this year. I feel like it's been one of the wettest winters I've had in recent memory. In fact, almost every time I go out and crash. You know, I've got these Brother Hobby R5 Deadpools with the kind of hype train design of the no skirt going on. Well, as a result of that, it seems like every single time I crash, I'm getting dirt, I'm getting mud in my motors. I'm sure that can't be good for them. I also don't really know how to clean them. Compressed air, drop them in alcohol. That doesn't really sound right. I don't know, but I should probably just look that up. Anyway, I should probably give them a clean at first opportunity. But anyway, the reason I come to you today on this rainy of days is because just a little bit ago, I was pretty much resigned to flying the simulator and not being able to fly today, and my girlfriend calls me because, being the sweetheart that she is, she works with little kids over at the church, the United Methodist Church, and she calls me up and she's like, hey, would you mind I'm really thirsty and tired, would you mind bringing me like a soda? And I was like, oh, of course, no problem. And she was like, okay, yeah, just you know, come around to the gym and bring it in and I'll meet you there. And I was like, whoa, did you just say gym? And I was like, where is this gym? And she was like, well, I'm in the gym. That's where the kids hang out and stuff. The classroom's off the gym. And I'm like, hey, how long are you gonna be there? Because I know she kind of works with them. She also kind of manages the place, so she has the keys and stuff. So I'm like, how long are you gonna be there? And she's like, well, they're here till noon, and they usually tend to clear out pretty fast. So I said, well, what would you say if I asked you if I could just come to the gym after everybody's gone and fly my quad in there since it's raining outside? And she was like, well, I don't care. I was like, whoa, really? I was like, well, how many sodas you want? So anyway, I guess we're gonna go down there and we're gonna see my girlfriend once everybody's gone and see if we can't do some ripping in the gym. Awesome. All right. Now, let's head on down to the church and see what kind of shenanigans we can get into. Alright, so we are nearly there. Hopefully my girlfriend will still be there. My phone actually died about 25 minutes ago. My neighbor caught me in a conversation on my way out, so hopefully she's still there. If not, this may be all for naught. Alright, she is still here. Nice. Alright, and here we are. My amazing girlfriend, who gave me this wonderful opportunity, is still here waiting on me, even though I was 30 minutes late. Thank you. And the harbor. Let's check it out. Oh, this looks pretty awesome. Wow. What better way is there to spend a rainy day, right? Well, I said I was sick of crashing my motors in the mud, getting mud in my motors, but I don't know if concrete is the correct response. We'll see. Check it out. Only got one antenna, so it's gonna be the perfect range for this spot. Alright, let's hope for the best. Alright.
1 and 20.
See if it arms. Wonderful. Oh, here we go. Alright, test one. Bit of a tear in that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Turtle mode!
Check it out now. I work the pandemic.
Signal critical.
That did not sound good. Alright. I think that was just, as long as the arms aren't broken, I think that was just a antenna.
That was so bad.
It's crazy because you have like 0 time to think.
I know. Well, it's a really small space.
Oh, and my motors are pretty hot. Something's up with that.
Well, probably because it doesn't.
Oh, it just
really...
ripped my antenna out. Oh man. Look at that. We got one dangler. Oh wait, there you go. One dangler. One ripped. You see, this is why I need those Kevlar or those whatchamacallit, battery straps. Fiber. Man, breaking these guys all the time. Wow, and I only went down 10 seconds on my timer. So that battery still has a great amount left.
Shoot.
I'm gonna continue with this dangerous experiment. Oh no. I don't think we're coming back from that to make matters worse. Unfortunately, it seems like the crash was a bit worse than I thought. Here is my MMCX pigtail. As you can see, this top part is broken off. No big deal. I have another pigtail, but I had to cut it to get it up. There it is. Yep. So that VTX is definitely broken. So that puts a damper on things for today. Hope you enjoyed the 30 seconds of flight footage. Hopefully I'll come here again soon and be able to do something a little more substantial. I guess in terms of successes, what just happened was definitely not one. That was definitely a failure. So sorry about the shortness of the video or the flight footage, guys. I guess you can't help what you crash into sometimes, but I really still appreciate the watch, and stay on those sticks. Have a great day and peace.